something about our body parts in our previous class. We learned internal organs and external organs, isn't it? Hope all of you remember that. Today we are going to learn functions of our internal body parts. All of you know external body parts help us in different ways, isn't it? It helps us to do everyday activities like writing, running, walking, like that, isn't it? But we have to learn what are the functions of internal organs. Okay. So today's our topic is functions of internal body parts. Functions of internal body parts. Body parts. ഉള്ളിലുള്ള body parts എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് നമുക്ക് help ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay. First one, brain. Brain is inside our head. Brain is inside our head and it helps us to think. Means it tells to the other body parts what to do and when to do. Understood? Brain. First one, brain. It helps us to think. Help us to think what we do and when we do. That will be decided by the brain. Brain means തലച്ചോറ്. I will show you that picture. Okay. This is our brain. Can you see? This is our brain and it is inside our head. It is inside our head. It tells to the other body parts what will we do and when will we do. That will be decided by this brain. Okay. തലച്ചോറാണ് എന്ത് നമ്മൾ എപ്പോൾ ചെയ്യണം എന്നുള്ളത് നമ്മൾ തീരുമാനിക്കുന്നത് ഈ തലച്ചോറിന്റെ സഹായം കൊണ്ടാണ്. ഓക്കെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ, heart. Heart. Next one, heart. Heart pumps blood to different parts of the body. Where is our heart? It is here. Okay. Heart is here. And can you hear a sound when you are putting your hands here? Can you hear a sound when you are putting your hands here? That sound is made by the heart. Our heart is making that sound. And what is heart doing? Yes, heart pumps blood to different parts of the body. So heart helps us to keep us alive. Heart ആണ്, ഹൃദയമാണ് നമ്മളെ ജീവിക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്നത്. ബ്ലഡ് പല ഭാഗങ്ങളിലേക്ക് സ്പ്രെഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പമ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഹാർട്ടാണ്. ഓക്കെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ, I will show you that picture. Heart. Picture of heart. This is our heart. Can you see? This heart will pump blood to other parts and help us to keep alive. Okay. Very good. Next one, lungs. Next one, lungs. Help us to breathe in air. Lungs means ശ്വാസകോശം. ശ്വാസകോശങ്ങൾ. We have two lungs. We have two lungs. It helps us. They help us to breathe in. Help us to breathe in air. We want air to live, isn't it? We want air to live. So, which help us to breathe in air? Yes, this lungs. These two lungs help us to breathe in air. And I will show you the picture of lungs. This is our lungs. Can you see? This is coming from our nose. This one is coming from our nose and this lungs help us to breathe in air. Okay. We have two lungs and it helps us to breathe in air. Okay. Next one, stomach and intestines. Stomach and intestines help in digesting food. Stomach and intestine help us in digesting food. Stomach and intestines help us to digesting our food. What we eat, that will digest by this with the help of stomach and intestines. Okay, I will show you that picture also. This is our stomach. This bag-like part is known as stomach, ആമാശയം. This bag-like part, ഒരു ബാഗ് പോലെയുള്ള ഈ പാർട്ടാണ് എന്ത്? ആമാശയം. Then this tube-like part. This tube-like part is known as intestines. കുടലുകൾ. Intestines. Two type of intestines are here. This one is small intestines. This one is large intestines. Okay. This inside part is known as small intestines, and this part, this tube part is known as large intestines. Okay. So this one, this bag-like part is known as stomach, ആമാശയം. This tube-like part is known as intestines, and these both are help us to digest our food. These both parts, stomach and intestines, help in digesting our food. Okay, all of you understood? Very good. Once again, I am repeating for you functions of internal body parts. Okay. First one, brain. Where is our brain? Yes, inside our head. Brain helps us to think. Isn't it? Brain helps us to think. What is the brain doing? Brain helps us to think. Okay. Heart. Next one, heart. Heart help us to pump blood to different parts of the body. Heart pumps blood to different parts of our body and help us to keep alive. Okay. Next one, lungs, Shwasakosha. It helps us to breathe in air. It helps us to breathe in air. Okay. Next one, stomach and intestines. Stomach is a bag-like part and intestines are tube-like part. And both of these help us in digesting our food. Okay, all of you understood? We will take only this today. Other functions of other parts we will take in the next class. Okay, functions of other parts we will learn in the next class. Okay, all of you do your homeworks well. Be a good child. Okay, bye.